In this video, we are going to discuss all the accessories that you might want to get for a successful 2024 back to school season. From waking up in the morning to protecting your feet and turning your iPad into a laptop, we have it all in this back to school special from Handy Andy Media. Let's start with the morning with the Echo Spot from Amazon. This is a voice assistant built into this alarm clock. What's great about it is that it does have a screen, but it has that Alexa voice assistant built into it. So you can ask questions, you can play music, you can play your favorite podcast, radio, set reminders, but most importantly, set your bedtime alarm with that. So definitely you want to check it out. Now we're going to go to the Combo Touch. This is a keyboard case for the iPad by Logitech. You know, a lot of young people have grown up in the iOS ecosystem and they actually prefer to use an iPad over a traditional laptop. And if that's you, this is what you want to get because it's going to allow you to do that. It's a keyboard case. You can see there's a keyboard with the trackpad, and then it has the top part as well. Different versions for depending on what kind of model you have, but this for the 11-inch iPad, we're just going to put that on, and then it magnetically clicks on like that. On the back, you do have a little kickstand that's adjustable, and presto kazinga, you got yourself pretty much an iPad that's also functioning as a laptop. Now let's talk about ergonomics. We're going to look at the SmartFit Soulmate Comfort Footrest by Kensington. Now, people have really bad posture when they're studying for long periods of time, and this ensures that you're going to get good circulation with your feet. It's adjustable, it's got that foam padding, but you could also rock it back and forth, or if you prefer, you can lock it at a certain angle. Allows you to have a good footrest while you're studying or writing for long periods of time. Here I'm using it with my bare feet just so I can feel that foam padding. And I like to kind of twitch, so it really made sense for me. Now let's talk about building a charging station, your own DIY charging station from a company called Scosche. That right there allows you to charge an iPhone. You can also charge a variety of different types of devices like other smartphones and tablets, or even the Apple Watch with this accessory. And what I love about this is that you can build your own based upon the devices that you have. And they all come with end caps, so you can customize it. Let's show you how you put it together. So I have the 4 pieces, and what you'll notice, and on this side, you have that kind of little slot that will fit into that port, and just like that, you have connected them together. And so that same power source is going to transfer through. Now there's that end cap. I'm taking the end cap off, and I'm going to do the same with this accessory that allows you to wirelessly connect iPhone with the MagSafe so it can dock perfectly. Take off that end cap, and now we're going to connect this accessory that allows you to wirelessly charge the Apple Watch as well. And there you go, a DIY kind of charging station. You can mix and match depending on what devices that you have, but it's absolutely a great way to keep all of your devices charged. Here it is on my workstation. I just want to show you how nice it looks. I got an iPhone, I got an Apple Watch, and another smartphone charging all at the same time. You do have that outlet on there and USB-C ports to charge a variety of different types of devices that you might have or need to charge at your desk. So great accessory for back to school. Now let's talk about the MX Master 3S mouse from Logitech. I really like the design of this one. It reminds me of the mouse that I had been using for about 20 years. Similar design, but it is a refresh. So basically, you have toggling, a lot of options to toggle with your thumb and also your fingers on the top and on the side. It does come with that USB dongle. And if you're gonna just keep this connected to, like, say, a hub for your laptop, you know, you can just directly connect that, or you could connect it through Bluetooth. Here's another option for a mouse. If this is a vertical mouse from Kensington, and this is really a good solution for people that are having issues with their wrists. Maybe a traditional mouse, they've had some pain, and so this one, it kind of makes your hand sit up higher. It's got more of a vertical kind of design to it. which I really like. It's quite comfortable. It doesn't really take much learning to get used to this, but it feels that your hand is in a nice stationary position. And so again, if you have wrist issues, definitely worth considering. Another product from Scosche, this is our magnetic wireless charging bank for the iPhone. It has that MagSafe, which you see that circular right there, and it's a wireless charger, so it connects to the back of your iPhone. You can see it's got buttons, tell you how much power it has, charges by USB-C. But here, I'm going to show you how it works. You just basically take your iPhone and then connect it to that MagSafe connection, and just like that, you can see it is now charging. And so if you need extra juice in your iPhone for a long school day, maybe study sessions, this is something definitely that you want to get. You can put in your backpack, and whenever you need a charge, just put it in the back of your iPhone. Now we're going to talk about the Logitech Zone True wireless earbuds. These are wireless earbuds, but mostly I'd say these are designed for your computer. It can be designed for your tablet, but it can do multi-pairing as well. So even your smartphone. But what I like about this is it's just a different design, something for like late night study sessions where you want to kind of just like lock in, maybe listen to some music. That is something worth considering. Anyways, folks, I just wanted to kind of share on some of the products that I highly recommend for back to school, starting right at the morning with the Echo Spot, also creating your own DIY charging station, turning your iPad into a laptop, or using a vertical mouse. All of these informations you can find on my website and links if you are interested in purchasing. Of course, be sure to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks on how you can have a successful digital life. I'm Andy Baryer, Handy Andy, signing out. We'll see you again next time.